Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. I come back with another video. This is a Beats headphone and this headphone is not working. I don't know what is the problem. Is speaker or the AUX jack. So now I open. For this headphone you need to steal like this to open the speaker. You can see they have the glue. So first you have to remove the glue and slowly open this case. Don't do faster. If you do fast it will be damaged. So you have to take it slowly. Almost done to open. You can see how I do open. So this side I open because the AUX jack connection is from this side. So you have to open the wire side. So after open you can see here is 4 screw. You need a star screwdriver to remove this screw. Okay guys, almost done. After open the screw, open the speaker case, and inside you can see there is the Beats speaker, and there have the many connection. For the speaker, the AUX jack connect with this speaker, and from this speaker going to the another speaker. So here have the 4 connection, 4 input and 2 output with another speaker. So guys, I have to open the cable and remove this all the connection with iron. You need a soldering iron. They have some glue. You have to remove the glue first and then open this wire. Okay guys, let's open with iron the wire. There is glue, that's why you need to take time. Okay, I'm removing the wire. Only the input connection, the AUX jack connection, output not to remove. So guys, it's finished already. Guys, have to cut it and remove out. And see guys, this is a second hand JBL AUX. So you can change it with any mobile earphone. Just cut that speaker. This is original JBL earphone. Okay guys, I will import this white color JBL earphone inside that speaker case and remove this plastic using the iron. Inside have 2 wire, 1 plastic. So you have to make this the wire after you do solder. Cut the extra plastic. There I have 2 connection, one is negative, one is positive. The silver golden color, that is the ground, and the blue and green color, that is left and right speaker connection, that is positive. Another cable, one cable is red and another is silver or white, that is positive, negative, and red is positive. So guys, there is 6 connection. 2 is import this speaker and 2 is going output the another speaker. So you can also connect direct another speaker that to another wire, and connect to is wire in this speaker, ground with ground and positive with positive. Okay guys, be careful, you have to do this, join the connection. So guys, it's almost done the connection. You can see I have only one connection more. And guys, finish all the connection. And I will use this lock for the cable, it will not come outside. I using some tape, and I was saying that still is protection, the cable is not come outside. You can use anything there. Now I will close the speaker. Check, be carefully before close, all the cables is good. And you can see here is 4 screw, return that 4 screw. It's almost done. Now I will check. Okay guys, you hear the voice, is all is done, working perfectly. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you, have a nice day.